If a dishwasher is not drying the dishes properly, one of the causes could be a defective temperature sensing thermostat interrupting the drying cycle. To help determine if the thermostat is faulty, you can use a multimeter to perform a continuity test on the component. A continuity test will determine if a continuous electrical path is present in the thermostat. At room temperature, the thermostat should have continuity. No continuity means the electrical path is broken and the thermostat has failed. The thermostat is usually located under the base of the dishwasher tank behind a lower access panel. You may need to fully uninstall the dishwasher to access the part, which will need to be removed or isolated from the dishwasher for proper test results. You can choose from a variety of multimeters to perform a continuity test. For this demonstration, we will use both analog and digital models. When using an analog model, first rotate the range selection dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance. Then calibrate the meter by pinching the leads together while adjusting the needle to read 0. When using a digital model, again rotate the dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance, or resistance with tone if your meter has this option. Now contact the black meter lead to one of the thermostat's terminals, and the red lead to the other terminal. If the meter reading shows 0 ohms of resistance, the thermostat has continuity. However, if the meter's needle does not move, or the digital display does not change significantly, there is no continuity, which means the thermostat has failed and will need to be replaced. While the thermostat should display continuity at room temperature, it should switch off or display no continuity when heated. To test the thermostat's response to temperature change, place the component on an electric griddle or skillet and set it to a high temperature. As the griddle or skillet heats up, the thermostat should switch off or show no continuity. If the thermostat does not switch off, the component is faulty and will need to be replaced.